This is the Samsung 8950 NaviBot, and it's one of the newer models of Samsung, and a friend of ours lent it to us to see how well it would work out in our house. We have mostly hard floors, stone and wood and whatever. So anyway, we'll give it a run and see how well it works. I have found one bit of odd behavior, that when it's turned off, it's been charging. I'm going to turn the power back on. Turn the power on and nothing happens. Push the buttons, nothing happens. You have to put it back in the charging station. It does its countdown. And then it's ready to go. And that's it. Starts recharging again. This floor was mopped and swept yesterday by hand, and so this is after our run. It picks up a significant amount. This is just from yesterday, so from a cleaning standpoint, it does a very good job.